Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing swatches of the Chaun Legends new sheer and tones collection. This is a hefty box. There's a bunch of polishes in here, so let's dive in. This just came out a few days ago and I went to the Chaun Legend event in Toronto as an educator, so they gave me a box. I'm going to open it up and show you guys all the colors, and we're gonna play with this today. So if you want to get into this and really see the gel polishes up close and personal, how the formula is and everything like that, and also hear about how the event in Toronto went, then just keep on watching. So this is the part that nobody cares about. I'm ripping off the plastic.
A few moments later.
So this is what it looks like when you open the box directly. So it says sheers and tones up here, and then it comes with tips to do the swatches with, and then all fun, there's also like a little display right here to put the tips in to display. And here we have the entire collection. Isn't that gorgeous? So these are the colors. So I'm just prepping my tips on a little press-on stand so that I can swatch them and place them in the little display here. So you'll see them here afterward. And I have my phone going here to show you like the swatches in real time, and you'll see everything up close and personal in real color. So it's gonna be a really fun swatch time. So I'm taking them in order of the display. This one is Boo Thang. This is a sheer one. Gonna place it in our little swatch thing, and I'll show you an up close of them at the end. So next we have Tickle My Toes. So next on the list we have Cashmere Kiss. Done. Next we have Silky Sheets. This one in. Next we have Under the Covers. Put this one in. And then we have Pink Macaroon. Next, we're looking at Pika Nude. I can't get it in. So we just finished the first full row, which is exciting. So moving on. Next we have Sincerely Yours. Next we have Hush Little Blush. $50.99 in the placeholder. Next one is Sticky Rice. This one I heard about before. So we're putting little Miss Sticky Rice in the holder. So next we have Seriously Tempting. So to talk a little bit about the Legend Day in Toronto, it was a really great experience. They reached out to me to be an educator, just to do like live demos. Apparently my name was mentioned a lot, and there were a lot of people there that knew me and that were excited to see me. So honestly, it was such a surreal feeling to be like, oh, people know me, like I'm out there, you know, in the nail world. So it was pretty exciting, and honestly it was just all around such a fun day, and just honestly be able to see all you guys and meet Chaun and everything like that. It was a really fun experience. The energy was high. It was a really fun experience, and I'm really happy that I got to be a part of it. So we're putting this one in the holder. So the next one is Beige Instinct. Next up we have Bottom Line. So next we have By Chance. We finished our second line of the swatch board. So now we're on to the final few. So this one is Bank On It. So next we have Top Notch. Top Notch into the holder. Next we're looking at Risque Business. Bring this one in the holder. We have 3 left. So this one is Nutty Delight. So the second to last one, this is Crème de la Coco. And last but certainly not least, this is Toasted Buns. Putting our toasted buns into the holder. So here we have our final swatches. There you have it, everyone. You have all the swatches from the Sheers and Tones collection. I really love this box, and I'm really excited to play around with these in the very near future. I intend on using these very soon. I'm just looking at them and I'm like, oh, I love them, and I can't wait to play with them and have fun and create some fun nail art. And you know, I know my clients are going to be really excited about these as well. I have a lot of clients that do like a lot of neutrals and like sheer tones and more natural stuff, so this is going to be really great for that. I'm very excited to put these to use. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also if you like me, don't forget to subscribe so you can see my upcoming content and the new stuff that I have planned. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!